Got our next load. So we're going to do a 100-mile run down to Houston. Pick up some fabricated metal, conduit, whatnot. And we're going to run that up to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So a good 1,600-mile, run. The only problem is it won't deliver until the 5th. Today's the 31st. Yeah, so a lot more waiting over the weekend before I can deliver, so. Oh well. So we have basically 5.5 days to get there. Really only takes, 3. So, we got a little bit of waiting. We're going to be doing a 34 once we get up to Pennsylvania. So we'll just mosey our way up. We're not going to be rushed in any way, shape, or form. But I'd rather do as many miles at the beginning as possible. Get it done. Do my 34 up there in near Philadelphia. I mean, it's gonna be hard to find a spot, so we have to stop as early as possible, in the day to make sure we get a decent parking spot at a good location. Decent showers, place where I can do laundry. Maybe close to a Walmart I can walk over to and do a little shopping. For some basic foodstuffs. So we are at our shipper here in Houston, waiting on a dirt lot, waiting for them to come get me. Nice heavy rain. Picking up some stuff like this, piping, conduit, tubing. All it said was fabricated metal, so who knows what I'm picking up. But it's got to be tarred, and I don't really want to do it in the rain. But it's got to be done. It's got to be done. Fun, it's fun. All right, we got ourselves started now. 21 boxes. We have 21 bundles of metal conduit, running almost 46,000 pounds. Taking this on up to Philadelphia from Houston, Texas.